Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game-changing accessory for your car that promises to revolutionize night driving. I'm talking about the Infiray NV2 car night vision system. Whether you struggle with poor visibility at night or just want that extra edge in safety, this could be the gadget you've been looking for. The Infiray NV2 isn't just your average dash cam, it's a sophisticated AI-powered night vision system designed to enhance your awareness on the road. Installed as an aftermarket device, it boasts impressive features typically found in high-end vehicles like the Mercedes S-Class. Let's start with the design and build quality. The NV2 consists of two main components, the dash-mounted display unit and the infrared camera. The setup is robust, featuring a weatherproof and dustproof design, ensuring it holds up well in various conditions. Installation is a bit involved, taking about 3 to 4 hours, but once set up, it blends neatly into your car's interior. Now, onto the features. The NV2 shines with its AI capabilities, offering real-time detection of obstacles up to 200 meters away. It's equipped with intelligent features like collision warnings, lane detection, and even animal detection, which is crucial for avoiding accidents in low visibility scenarios. In terms of performance, the NV2 delivers exceptional clarity both day and night. At night, it uses infrared technology to cut through darkness, providing a clear, black and white view of the road ahead. The system's alerts, both visual and auditory, are prompt and reliable, making it a reliable companion for night driving. What's it like to use on a daily basis? Well, once installed, operating the NV2 is straightforward. The flip-up display activates with a touch, and its intuitive interface keeps distractions minimal. The audio alerts are particularly handy, giving you instant feedback without needing to glance at the screen constantly. So, should you invest in the Infiray NV2 car night vision system? If you find night driving challenging or prioritize safety features in your vehicle, absolutely. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the NV2's advanced technology and robust performance justify the investment. Just be prepared for the installation process, which might require professional help depending on your vehicle. That wraps up our review of the Infiray NV2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.